Each morning brings a new ray of hope. The utter darkness of the night vanishes. The waves of the sea becomes turbulent. Seeing the clouds and the sun play in the sky, this life seems very pleasant and blessed. Crossing high mountains, ignoring the strongest storms, ignoring the devastating plague, we bring the light of the new day. The gentle serenity of light calms our souls, gives peace. Ferocious monsters play tricks on our dreams and lives. It seems to be our destiny to bow down and accept slavery. But our strength and our bravery let us not to leave ourselves in the hands of fate, but to hold the image of Ranang Dehi Durga, to smash the darkness with our feet like Nataraj. The mother figure, who is eternal in nature, whose smiling face, affectionate vision removes all our troubles, whose limbs are full of dance, is like to be adopted. When the lava of the volcano wants to burn everything, the goodness of the Mother Nature calms everything down again. Inside us too is the mother who on the one hand nurtures her child in the depths of her bosom and on the other hand becomes Rudra Rupini and destroys the enemy. At every stage of creation, Rudra, like Nataraj, destroys everything by carrying out the torment of the cataclysm, and the mother-like nature irrigates her affection with nectar and again composes lyrics of new creation. In dance, in song, in rhyme, in rhythm, as the cataclysm comes, so does the new form of creation in the new body with love, happiness, and prosperity.